The night sky has always held a certain allure for humanity, a vast expanse of mystery and wonder that beckons us to dream beyond our terrestrial confines. For centuries, we have gazed upward, contemplating the twinkling stars and the possibility of life beyond our own planet. Among the myriad of questions that arise in this contemplation, one looms larger than the rest. Have aliens ever visited Earth? This question has sparked countless theories, fueled fervent debates, and inspired a wealth of stories that blend the lines between fact and fiction. The exploration of this topic is an intricate tapestry woven with threads of evidence, personal experiences, and the unquenchable thirst for understanding the unknown. The idea of extraterrestrial visitation is not a modern phenomenon. Ancient civilizations have left behind artifacts and texts that suggest a fascination with the skies and potential visitors from other worlds. The Sumerians, for instance, spoke of the Anunnaki, deities who descended from the heavens. Their stories, etched in cuneiform on clay tablets, hint at interactions with beings from the stars. Similarly, the ancient Egyptians constructed monumental pyramids that some theorists argue could only have been built with advanced knowledge imparted by extraterrestrial beings. The hieroglyphs found within these structures often depict strange creatures and celestial events, leading some to speculate that these were not mere figments of imagination, but records of actual encounters. As we move through history, the narrative of alien visitation continues to evolve. The 20th century brought with it a surge of interest in UFOs, particularly following the infamous Roswell incident in 1947. Reports of a flying disc crash landing in the New Mexico desert ignited a firestorm of speculation and conspiracy theories. The US government's subsequent explanation that the object was a weather balloon did little to quell the public's curiosity. Instead, it only deepened the intrigue, leading to a plethora of claims about recovered alien technology and government cover-ups. This incident marked a pivotal moment in the collective consciousness, solidifying the belief that we might not be alone in the universe. The fascination with UFOs reached a fever pitch in the decades that followed. The 1960s and 70s saw a proliferation of reported sightings, with individuals claiming to have encountered strange crafts and beings. One of the most notable cases is that of Betty and Barney Hill, an interracial couple who, in 1961, reported being abducted by aliens while driving through New Hampshire. Their experience, which included vivid recollections of being examined by extraterrestrial beings, became one of the first widely publicized abduction stories. The couple's account, filled with psychological depth and emotional turmoil, resonated with many, giving rise to a subculture that embraced the possibility of alien encounters. As the years passed, the narrative surrounding aliens evolved yet again, fueled by advancements in technology and the proliferation of information. The advent of the internet democratized knowledge, allowing people to share their experiences and theories with unprecedented ease. Online forums and social media platforms became breeding grounds for discussions about UFO sightings, government secrecy, and the potential for extraterrestrial life. Documentaries and television shows, such as The X-Files, further popularized the notion of alien visitation, blending entertainment with speculation and igniting the imaginations of millions. Amidst the swirling theories and anecdotal evidence, the scientific community has approached the question of extraterrestrial life with a mix of skepticism and curiosity. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence, SETI, has become a formalized endeavor, employing advanced technology to scan the cosmos for signals that might indicate the presence of intelligent life. Scientists have launched probes to explore the distant reaches of our solar system, seeking signs of life on planets like Mars and moons like Europa. The discovery of extremophiles, organisms that thrive in harsh environments on Earth, has expanded our understanding of where life might exist, suggesting that the universe could harbor life in forms we have yet to comprehend. Yet, despite the rigorous scientific efforts, definitive proof of alien visitation remains elusive. Skeptics often point to the lack of physical evidence, citing the absence of artifacts or biological samples that would substantiate claims of extraterrestrial encounters. They argue that many sightings can be attributed to misidentifications of natural phenomena or man-made objects. The phenomenon of pareidolia, where the human brain perceives familiar patterns in random stimuli, is often cited as a reason why people may see faces or figures in clouds or rocks, fueling the belief in alien presence. However, the absence of conclusive evidence does not deter the passionate believers. For them, personal experiences serve as powerful testimonies. Stories abound of individuals who claim to have witnessed UFOs darting across the night sky, or who recount vivid dreams of encounters with beings from other worlds. These experiences, whether real or imagined, evoke a deep sense of wonder and curiosity. They challenge the boundaries of what we consider possible and invite us to ponder the mysteries of the universe. One particularly compelling story comes from a retired military officer who served during the Cold War. He recounted a night spent on a remote airbase when a strange object appeared in the sky, hovering silently above the runway. The object emitted a bright light that illuminated the surroundings, and for a brief moment, time seemed to stand still. The officer described the overwhelming sense of awe and fear that washed over him as he and his colleagues watched the craft perform maneuvers that defied the laws of physics. When the object suddenly shot off into the night, leaving no trace behind, he was left grappling with the implications of what he had witnessed. His account, shared in a documentary, resonated with many, adding to the growing compendium of UFO sightings and experiences. In the realm of popular culture, the portrayal of aliens has often leaned toward the sensational. Movies and television shows have depicted extraterrestrials as both benevolent and malevolent beings, shaping public perception and fueling fears of invasion or hostility. Yet, there are also narratives that explore the potential for peaceful coexistence and collaboration. The notion that aliens might possess advanced knowledge and technology capable of solving humanity's greatest challenges is a tantalizing prospect, one that inspires hope amidst the chaos of our world. As we delve deeper into the possibility of alien visitation, we must also confront the philosophical implications of such encounters. What would it mean for humanity to discover that we are not alone in the universe? The realization could shatter long-held beliefs about our place in the cosmos, prompting a re-evaluation of our understanding of life, consciousness, and existence itself. The potential for interstellar communication raises profound questions about language, culture, and the nature of intelligence. How would we bridge the gap between species, and what common ground could we find amidst the vast differences that separate us? In recent years, the US government has taken steps to address the growing interest in unidentified aerial phenomena, UAP, a term that encompasses the sightings of unexplained objects in the sky. Reports from military pilots and declassified documents have reignited public curiosity, leading to a renewed push for transparency and investigation. The establishment of the UAP Task Force aimed to evaluate encounters and provide insights into the nature of these phenomena. While skeptics may argue that the government's interest is merely a response to national security concerns, others see it as an acknowledgement of the enduring mystery surrounding the possibility of extraterrestrial life. As we navigate this complex landscape, it is essential to approach the topic of alien visitation with an open mind, balancing skepticism with curiosity. The evidence may be inconclusive, but the stories and experiences shared by countless individuals offer a glimpse into the profound questions that lie at the heart of our existence. The allure of the unknown continues to inspire exploration, both in the cosmos and within ourselves. In the end, the possibility of aliens having visited Earth is not solely about the existence of beings from other worlds. It is a mirror reflecting our deepest fears, hopes, and aspirations. It compels us to ponder the vastness of the universe and our place within it. As we continue to look up at the stars, we are reminded of the enduring human spirit, a spirit that seeks to explore, to understand, and to connect with the mysteries that lie beyond our reach. Whether or not we ever find definitive proof of extraterrestrial visitation, The journey of inquiry itself enriches our understanding of what it means to be human in an ever-expanding universe.